welcome to my channel. My name is Stella Chumba and I'll be doing a vlog today. So today, in this video, I will be picking up my props. Yes, my props have finally arrived. So I'll be going to pick them up today. So I thought, let me just do a small vlog. Yeah, a short vlog. I might likely join it with my shopping. Yeah, I just want to go and get one or two at the market today. So let's see how that goes. Yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and like this video to get more people to see it. And also turn on post notifications. See ya! Hi guys, so I just arrived at my pickup station. It's actually very nice. Oh, beautiful. Yes guys, so I just got my package. This place is actually very nice. My first time of coming to this place in UI, and oh man, it's nice. See for yourself. You can play taekwondo, baseball, basketball, whatever. What do you mean then? Because it's light so.
So like what I'm saying is right now, it's supposed to be dark. And your video is on your camera is on.
Let me see your camera.
It's because of the space. I mean what's the space of your
I don't have much space, but I have memory card. You have memory card? I have a memory card.